Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating the problem. Boot into safe mode and watch for pop-ups. This tells you if an app is responsible. Once done, open Settings right arrow apps and sort by recent installs or permission use, because adware often appears in newly added or high permission apps. Make sure to note apps with overlay or draw over permission and any app you don't recognize. While you act, keep data off or use airplane mode to limit further ad fetching, and prepare to uninstall or revoke permissions next. Now you remove reach and capability. Uninstall any suspicious apps, especially those installed just before pop-ups began. If an app is essential but intrusive, revoke overlay and notification permissions, then clear its cache and data. That often stops persistent ads. Once you remove candidates, reboot normally and test. If pop-ups persist, inspect browser extensions, reset your browser settings, and run a reputable mobile antivirus scanner. Because some adware hide, finish by securing and validating. Backup your important files, then perform a factory reset only if pop-ups survive other steps. This removes deep-rooted adware. After reset, reinstall apps selectively and install a DNS or ad-blocking app, plus keep Play Store or App Store auto-update on for security patches. If you still see ads, try a secondary SIM or network to rule out carrier-injected ads, and if nothing works, contact the developer or your carrier, because sometimes ads come from signed carrier or bundled system apps. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.